Our second derivatives are still deriving e to the power of a function, but this time in chain, product, or quotient rules. So we're going to use the first rule of the chain rule. So the derivative is going to be bringing the 3 to the front, keeping the brackets, and decreasing the power by 1. But using the chain rule, we'll then derive the brackets, which will become 2e to the 2x minus 2e to the minus 2x from that concept of chain rule. For part B, we could write this equation as y equals e to the negative x plus 1 to the power of a half. So again, using the chain rule, we're going to bring the power to the front, keeping what is in the brackets the same, decrease the power by 1, and then multiply that by the derivative of the brackets, which we're going to bring the exponent's derivative to the front. Lastly, we want to rewrite this equation first, so it becomes 19 and the brackets 4e to the 5x plus 12x is all raised to the power of negative 1/3. So again, lastly, using the chain rule, dx equals negative 1/3 times by 19 multiplied by the function in the brackets. Decrease the power by 1 becomes negative 4 on 3. And lastly, multiply by the derivative of the brackets, which would be 20e to the 5x plus 12.